In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate email confirmation in Supabase. So open up Supabase and log into your Supabase account. Once I've logged into your account here, so go to your dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, so just open up the project. Okay, so click on it and open up your project. And then once you're on the project, what we're going to do, scroll down to your project and you will see this authentication option here. So click on Explore Auth. Okay, click on it. And then when you click on it here, so now what you're going to do on your left side menu here, click on this sign in slash providers under configuration, click on it. And then when you come to this section here, so what we're going to do is you're going to go and scroll all the way down under auto providers. You will see email option there. Click on the email option. Okay, and here you'll get to this screen here. So all you have to do is you have an option called confirm email. Just turn this tab off. So click on it to turn the switch off, and once you have turned this off, the confirm email, and hit on save, and that will deactivate the confirmation email. And that's basically pretty much it is.